Hello students, we can redo the test that we have skipped the last day, and I can read the questions. You write the answers in a paper when I ask the question, and then you upload the photo of the answers, not the option number, but write the answers completely. We move to the first question. Which of the statements is true about the position of 7 4 in the diagonal representation used in the proof of n by n is denumerable? Positions are listed as follows. First one, it is the fourth element of 7th diagonal. It is the fourth element of 10th diagonal. It is the 7th element of 10th diagonal. None of the above. You write your answer. I think this time is enough for writing the answer. Then we can move to the next question. You write question number 2. Name the theorem which helps us to find the number of surjections from A to its power set. Name the theorem only. This one is Bernoulli's inequality. Second one is Cantor's theorem. Third one is the uniqueness theorem. You put the question number 2 and select the correct answer. Name the theorem which helps us to find the number of surjections from A to its power set. Bernoulli's inequality, Cantor's theorem, uniqueness theorem. Write the answer in full. Then we can move to the third question. Which function is not used to prove that Q is denumerable? Given 4 functions, you have to identify which function is not used to prove that Q is denumerable. First option, f from n to n gross n. Second one, g from n gross n to q. Third one, g composition f from n to q plus. Fourth one, g from n gross n to q plus. Write the answer in the paper. And now we can move to the fourth. Prove that 1 is greater than 0 in a single line. You can use words and symbols both. The restrictions here saying are for the quiz that we have constructed earlier. Prove that 1 is greater than 0 in a single line. The reason can be given in one single line. You write the answer. You have to prove that 1 greater than 0 in a single line. This is question number 4. Now move to question number 5. This is also a proof giving. Prove that A plus C is greater than B plus C if A is greater than B. Use single line proof. Again, A is greater than B is given. You prove A plus C is greater than B plus C. Now we move to question number 6. You have to select the statement which is not correct. Which is not correct. First one, arithmetic geometric mean inequality. Root of AB is less than or equal to half of sum of AB. Second one, Bernoulli's inequality. If x is greater than or equal to minus 1, then n the power of 1 plus x is greater than 1 plus nx for all n. Then third one, triangle inequality. Modulus of A minus B is less than or equal to modulus of A plus modulus of B. Last one, none of the above, which is not correct. If there is a statement which is not correct, you have to identify that statement which is not correct. Otherwise, if all are correct, you put none of the above. You have to write the answer completely. Say the answers and write it completely. I think the time is enough. Now we move to the 7th question. Write all points satisfying modulus of x minus 3 is less than or equal to 1 as an interval. Write the answer as an interval. Intervals are given. Open interval 2 4, set 2 4, closed interval 2 4, closed to open for. You have to select the correct interval. Open to for, set to for, closed interval to for, closed to open for. You write the correct interval as the answer. Then the 8th question, which is not a point of V 1 by 2, 7. V 1 by 2, 7. 6.75, 7.5, 7.25 and 7. Which is not a point of V 1 by 2, 7. 6.75, 7.5, 7.25, 7. That is the 8th question. Write the answer. Now we move to the 9th question. Find all x such that modulus of 3x minus 4 is, read it as is less than 5. Modulus of 3x minus 4 is less than 5. Open interval minus 1 by 3, 9. Closed interval minus 1 by 3, 3. Open interval minus 1 by 3, 3. None of the above. Write your answer. Find all x such that modulus of 3x minus 4 is less than 5. Open interval minus 1 by 3, 9. Closed interval minus 1 by 3, 3. Open interval minus 1 by 3, 3. None of the above. Now we move to the last question. Write a condition for saying A minus C has M minus 3 elements while A has M elements and C has 3 elements. Write a condition that we have to say that A minus C has M minus 3 elements. First one, A is a subset of C. Second one, C is a subset of A. Last one, none of the above. These were the questions that we were intended to do in the test conducted in the form of a quiz earlier. Some of you have edited the questions and so the question number went to 12 questions in numbers and total points out of 24, and we cannot do anything with the test. Now you write the answers, upload the answers in your Google Classroom. I will put it as an assignment.